So I've been test fitting the ABS high impact side panniers to my 1951 Green Lane Special. Let's take a look at their profile and have a look at the 3D printing that's enabled the quick release mechanism for this fast emerging 1951 BSA Special. So it's using a bracket system for quick release, and down here is the secret behind fixing it to the D1 rack. I've got a vertical stay. Let's see if we can get better lighting in there and show you the fitting. So you can see there's a cutaway there. Let's have a look at the other side, see if I can get it better. So hopefully you can see it there. Now, can you see the two black rectangles that have a profile on the leading left side? Let's just take a look at how they fit. So that's the opposite end, so that cutaway fits on the vertical bar on the thing, and then these have got cuttings through and they're slightly curved, and the curve is to take the tension that is applied when I put tie wraps on and hold the panniers on permanently. But certainly for each ride out, I don't expect to be removing the panniers from their bags, but it will carry my drone and GoPros and be actually wired internally with a USB socket. For those people that are interested in what I'm using, that's the brand and that's the size.
Here we go. So this is a short Green Lane test to test the fitting. The sun is in my eye though, in my eyes. Crikey, it's very wet underfoot. This bike is fishtailing. The GoPro won't pick it up, but there's mozzies out. Yeah, look at this. I'm slipping and sliding everywhere. I really can't see where I'm going. Look at this, it's boggy as hell. Really can't see where I'm going because of this low sun. And the whole test of this is how well there's a positive stream here. So I can also see that there's no speedo, despite the speedo being connected correctly from the hub on the front wheel. Nice to get a thumbs up, wasn't it? I've definitely got something that feels as though it's trapped.
Well, she held up to that ride tremendously well, considering that's her first time out with the 3D printed pannier brackets. Cool, that's a gobful. 3D printed pannier brackets. Yeah, she held up wonderfully. I'm just going to go walk around and check my measurements for the fabrication of the front mudguard.